And what is up, guys? What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So what are we doing today? Today, as you can see, we got the STI in the garage because we are going to be installing a set of Fortune Auto coilovers, as well as a brand new carbon fiber steering wheel. And one more thing, we are also going to be installing an IAG catch can air oil separator. So yeah, so we are going to be starting with the steering wheel, the easy one. So if you guys never removed one before, unplug the battery. Then it has three little clips for the airbag. There's one right here, one at the bottom, and one on this side. So use this flathead screwdriver, push them out, and the airbag should pop out. Alright, so once you guys pop out the clips, this thing comes right out. Flip it over, and now you got three connections. You got your ground and this two right here. So make sure you guys unplug everything. So for these ones, I think you just gotta pop this little thing up. There you go, just pop them up. And they should come right up.
You could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look.
Alright, once everything's out, all you gotta do is unplug the airbag sensor from the clock spring. Now that that's out, you want to use a 17 socket to loosen it up. So don't take it all the way out, loosen it up a little bit, and then wiggle it out. So like tap it on one side, tap it on the other one, and pull it. And you don't want to take it all off, because if you take it all off and you yank it off, you're gonna smack your face with it. So let me loosen it up, and yep. There you go, just like that. Now you gotta loosen it up just a little bit. That way you have some play. Cool, there you go. And always make sure that you see how the steering wheel is orientated. So now you guys see that it's straight. Pull it. There you go, just like that. Now put it back in place. Remove the nut. And then once you guys remove the nut, make sure that you guys don't pull these cables when you guys are taking the steering wheel off. You can use your knees to bring it out and just guide those cables, because if you guys pull them off, you guys are gonna mess up your clock spring, and that's expensive. You don't want to mess that up. There you go, just like that. Now all you guys want to do is take out these little Phillips, unplug the harness, take the harness off from the clips right over here, and come in the back, pop the cover off, and then I'll show you guys what's after. Alright, so once you guys pop off the little cover off, there's this little clip from behind. This little clip is right there. Just pinch it and pull it through. Alright, once you guys get that, all you gotta do is take this little three Phillips out and just take them off.
The other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody and stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob.
There you go. Now you can pop off the. There you go. Just wiggle it out. Don't jank it. You don't want to break anything. There you go. You got your harness out. All you gotta do is take out the little cover, and that's it. Grab the new one. Yeah, we got the nice new one. I'm not gonna take it off just yet. So all you gotta do is do the same thing. Let me And now it's just the same thing, reverse, reinstall it, and that's pretty much it. All right, and make sure you guys torque it down to 29 foot-pounds of torque. All right, guys, so this is what it's looking like. Nice. You have your grip for your finger. Over here in the back I have groups as well. So carbon fiber, perforated leather. Sheesh, looks nice. All right, now up is the coilovers. All right, we got the car on the air, my bad. Lifted up from the diff. We got the jack stands on the sides. Make sure you guys are safe. Both of the rear tires are coming out, and we are installing these puppies over here. Fortune Auto AK rate springs all around. Let's get it. So you gotta take out the wheel, pop off the liner right here, and yeah, let's get it. All right, guys, once you guys get the tires off, come to the trunk, dismantle it, take out this little trim piece, and boom, right there you guys get your two nuts right there and right over there to take the coil out. Alrighty, so right over here, I believe that the only thing you gotta take out is this nut over here and this one right over here. So let me go ahead and take those out and see if that'll do the trick. Alrighty, as you guys can see, we got the coilover in, all good to go. We clean up the calipers. My brother's tightening up the tire on that side. Let me go ahead and put this tire on, and let's drop it. All right, I just took this wheel out. My brother's taking the other side off. So to take the coil over, all you gotta do is undo these two nuts right here, remove the brake lines from the back. Sorry, it's a little dark. And then come over here in the top, get these two little nuts off, and I think that should be it, hopefully. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, as you guys can see, we got the first front coil on. And right here you guys can see there's a big old difference. So this I already said the way we want it. We want a fender to tire, so it's gonna be a big difference. We're like, we're dropping it like what, like an inch and a, no, it's like 2 inches or so. But yeah, so that one's out, so let's get this one out too. All right, guys, so now we got the second side done, all in, cleaned up. So let's see what happens. Everything's good. We might adjust the softness, but the camber is good. We set it up at 0. You don't want no camber. So let's go ahead and put the tires back and drop it.
Pushing a train, I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test. Expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess, what's happening next? He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on